Welcome to our channel, K4 Coding Academy. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to use Streamlit and Hugging Face together to build a quick and interactive NLP application. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, or a complete beginner, this tutorial will guide you through integrating these two powerful tools step by step. Key points. Before we dive into the code, let's cover the key points of today's tutorial. Here's what you'll learn. Introduction to Streamlit and Hugging Face, what these tools are and why they're useful for NLP. Setting up your environment, how to install Streamlit and the Hugging Face Transformers library. Building a sentiment analysis app, a practical example using Hugging Face's sentiment analysis model with Streamlit. Real-time interaction, using Streamlit's interactive components to make the app responsive and engaging. Benefits of using Streamlit and Hugging Face together. Combining Streamlit and Hugging Face can be incredibly powerful. Here's why. Quick prototyping. Streamlit lets you create web apps with minimal code, so you can prototype NLP models fast and share them easily. Powerful NLP models. Hugging Face offers a wide range of pre-trained models for various NLP tasks, making it easy to apply state-of-the-art machine learning to your projects. User interactivity. With Streamlit, you can add sliders, input boxes, and more to create a highly interactive app that lets users test out NLP models in real time. Open source and free. Both tools are open source, which means they're free to use and perfect for personal projects, demos, or even small-scale production apps. Let's dive into the code. We're going to build a simple app that performs sentiment analysis on user-inputted text. Step 1. Install the necessary libraries. First, we'll install the libraries we need. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following commands. Pip install Streamlit Transformers. This command installs Streamlit, which is our framework for building the web app, and the Hugging Face Transformers library, which has all the NLP models we need. Step 2. Import the libraries and set up the sentiment analysis pipeline. We import Streamlit as ST and load the pipeline function from Transformers. This function allows us to quickly load a pre-trained NLP model. Here, we load a sentiment analysis pipeline, which will handle all the sentiment analysis work for us. Let's break this down. First, we add a title and a short description using stitle and s.write. These functions make it easy to add text and formatting in Streamlit. Next, we create a text input box using s.textInput, where the user can type any sentence or phrase. Once the user inputs text, we call sentiment analyzer user input to get the sentiment prediction. The result is a dictionary containing the label, e.g. positive or negative, and the score, a confidence level. Finally, we display the result using s.write. Step 4. Run the app. To run the app, open your terminal, navigate to the folder where you saved your Python file, and use this command. And that's it. You've built your first sentiment analysis app using Streamlit and Hugging Face. We hope this tutorial helped you understand how easy it is to create interactive machine learning applications with these tools. Remember, you can expand this app by using other Hugging Face models for tasks like translation, text generation, and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!